Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to generate SHA-1 key in Android Studio. So let's get started. Before starting the video, this video is sponsored by Roymart and this is the first sponsor of our channel. So if you want to order any products online means you can visit roymart.in. So do check out the roymart.in website to order any product. So let's get back to the video. So the first thing you need to do is open Android Studio. And once you open Android Studio, at the top right corner you can see an option called Gradle. Click on that and you need to click on this execute Gradle task icon. So once you click on that, just type signing report without any space. And after that, click enter. So as you can see here, SHA-1 key is generated. So thank you for watching guys. If you like this video, like, share, comment, and thanks for watching. Keep supporting.